Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup CRM snapshots with HubSpot workflow exports. Quick tutorial step. Begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to your dashboard, where you can view your CRM data. Click on the Automation tab located in the main menu. From the drop-down menu, select Workflows. Find the workflow you wish to export a snapshot of. Click on the workflow to open its details page. In the upper right corner, locate and click on the Actions button. From the Actions menu, select Export Workflow. Choose the format you prefer for the export, typically a CSV or Excel format. Confirm your selection by clicking the Export button. Wait for the export process to complete, which might take a moment. Once done, a download link will appear. Click on the link to download your workflow snapshot. Open the downloaded file to review your workflow details. Make sure all required information is present and correctly formatted. Store the file in a secure location for future reference. Repeat these steps for any additional workflows you wish to export. Now you have successfully backed up your CRM snapshots using HubSpot workflow exports. Your CRM data is secure and easily accessible for future use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.